Hi, these are the ingredients you're gonna need. You're just gonna need two. You're gonna need flour, and I didn't have baby oil, so I'm using another type of oil, which is a corn oil, but it's recommended to use baby oil. You're gonna need 2 cups of the flour and 1/4 cup of the oil. I ended up using a little bit more oil because I noticed that my flour consistency, like the moon sand consistency, wasn't sticking that well together, so I added a little bit more, but just kind of keep an eye on that. Make sure to mix good with your clean washed hands. I'm gonna show you how it's supposed to look right now. When you stick it together, it should stay in place. So I'm showing you here. I ended up using cookie cutters. I didn't have any molds like to make little designs or anything, so use whatever you have. This should last a couple days in a closed container, and make sure you have it in a nice clean space or somewhere where your child can work with it, because it gets really messy. But I hope you guys enjoy, and please share if you guys recreated this DIY moon sand.